Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so yeah, Norwegian cruise line holding. So we can see that if we zoom out, let me take out the RSIs. So we did start to break out from this kind of long-term downtrend, and we start to form this also a new downtrend now. Now the question is it going to skyrocket, or if it's just going to make another pullback, maybe perhaps just here on this trend line, and then maybe after that going or trying to push higher. So, or it just going to go here like so, and then go back and retest maybe near this lower uptrend line. That's the question. Yeah, we need to try to ask ourselves if we did invest in this stock. So to me, well, first of all, I would take the VRVP and check what are the odds, right? We don't have much resistance as a volume speaking. So I will have to, well, first of all, let me take out this because it's messy. I'm going to go on the weekly and check what is the situation. Okay, so first thing first, you can see that this stock is not great. It was great here, and after that it plummeted, right? So now I don't even know why I did that. If I do another trend from this peak here, I'm going to change the color for green, for that's our a more bullish one. Try to be trustable a little bit. So this was our attempt to say this, maybe it's an A, B, C. This was the B. I did the fib retracement of this three-wave move, reacted to the 0.786. That's great, but the problem now, this is it's not impulsive movement, it's a corrective one. It's actually a freaking messy one. And yeah, we do have this actually I should have been a little bit more accurate here. You can see that this downtrend line, this is actually, it's honestly the first time the only other time we had, oh no, we had two other times. We had here one full candle, but you can see the body, it's almost inexistent. And we had one full candle here out of the downtrend, and also only lasted 1 week. Now this is start to be more something, I would say. We had a nice candle here that pushed up the price. We have a full candle with a nice body, and now we are actually attempting for a second candle consecutive week. So that's a little bit promising. Also, I start to do a shorter downtrend here, or a trend actually, to see if price it's doing something on that. If I go on the 1 hour, you can see that. Can I catch it all? Yes, I can. So for the moment, we have one touching point, two touching points. So it's very weak. I just put it now. Actually, no, we have one here and one here. That's two. Let me readjust here. One, two, and now we're having a third one. And on the 1 hour, you can see that this is why price now it's being challenged. All right, so now I want to go back on the daily. Sorry if I'm moving around a lot. So I'll bring out my RSIs, and what do I want to mention something here that is very obvious. When we did a high here, you can see that the RSI was high. We did a high here, and RSI was overbought. Here also, and we were almost overbought. And then when we reached the top here, we were flirting with the overbought. And now we are higher than before, and we are in an overbought. So this is not, I mean, it's not 100% accurate, you know. It's not because it's overbought that the price will get rejected. But when you analyze the structure of the chart, yes, price can go and extend further. And I mean, me, if I did invested, I would put maybe a sell stop limit, because price can easily go now here and do another few percent up. Actually, let's go and calculate what would be the potential. So now, I honestly wouldn't go for the, I wouldn't go to touch the point or the trend line. I would be a little bit more conservative. So I would say maybe a 7% for me would be fine. And actually, I'm going to put it on a side, and then maybe we'll check out the chart in a couple of weeks. So to me, this would be the target. Let me see. So yeah, maybe here 22.31. And why is that? Is the peak here, right? I could have gone higher, but it's and I would put a sell stop limit there, and there you go. All right, so RSI's cover that. Now, is there a way to find the structure to this messy thing? I mean, it's just crazy. It's too messy. No, because sometimes it just zoom out. I mean, this is crazy, because I'm already on the daily. I thought maybe I was on the 1 hour, and I was going to say, okay, let me zoom out, but I could spend like a couple of or maybe 1 hour to try to analyze and try to label all of that, but it's just, I don't find it does make sense. For me, there are better charts out there with better potential. And yeah, for sure, the only thing I would say quickly is, if price, well, first of all, you need to make a higher high, a previous high, and then the second one, it's going to be, for sure you already saw it, it's this one here. So if price really starts to do a higher level of this price, which is 22.74, then we can start saying, okay, maybe it's doing something more bullish. But until then, forget about it. Yeah, that's because I have a friend who is investing in that, so this is also why I'm doing a video on that. But be careful out there. This is not a great stock. There are so many better stock out there. And actually, if you're making profit, just put a sell stop limit and don't give back the profit to the market. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.